Suid, aka Miss J.
Hi, my name is Kimberly, aka Lady Kim.
Hello, I'm Teresa, aka Terry Baby. Hi, I'm Samantha, aka Explicit, and we are the Pro Twerkers.
We're on Twerk magazine and we're going to show you the basics of twerking.
Okay, so what you do is just pop your booty in one direction. Make sure that you concentrate on just the booty. And then Kimberly over here is going to show us how to do the one butt cheek movement. So basically you just tense the one and leave the other and do that again and again and again. And then Teresa over here, Terry Berry, is going to show us the shaking movement. And you just mustn't be stiff, you must just make sure that your butt is loose and keep doing that. And yeah, these are like the basics of learning how to twerk. And then obviously when you're done learning the basics, then you can start doing the extreme, like the splits and the upside down and whatnot. So yeah, thank you.